say gorilla, you say tag. Gorilla. Gorilla. Yeah! Woohoo!
Wait, guys.
Not yet, not yet.
The same lobby back? Did I just join the same lobby?
Woohoo! A moment that all of the gorilla tag players will cherish forever. Woohoo! Gorilla tag! Also, awesome solo! Not yet. No. Not anymore. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Whoa, it's still going on. Yo, orange and pink. Orange and pink. Whoa. I say gorilla. You say tag. Gorilla. Gorilla. Among. It's not that bad. Among Us is good. Have you ever heard of Among Us, Gregory? Bro. Yo, so many colorful colors. Woohoo! For the first time, I actually thought some kid was blowing up balloons again. I thought some kid was blowing up balloons. Woo! Not your first New Year, is it? It's not New Year's, it's 4th of July.
Goodbye.
Wait, is today the 4th of July?
No, not yet.
Can anyone teach me how to get better at the game?
Bro really thought it was 4th of July.
Yo, no, bro, it's
Can
the
anyone
8th
teach
of
me how to be
July.
better at the game?
July is in a decade. Purple.
Give me a second, give me a
That
second.
was crazy one.
Give me a second. I'm recording my outro. Well, this is Chupacabra Jr. in my public lobby. So, I'll see you. It's a good name. It was passed on to Chupacabra, to Chupacabra from my father, and now Chupacabra Jr. Now it is a passed on name that I've always told ever since. Also, this is first found footage, so I made gorilla history. So, yeah.
A rubber room. A rubber
So,
room.
yeah. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone's crowding me.
Crazy? That was crazy once.
Bye, everyone. Happy 4th of July.
Goodbye.
Also, shout out to the monkeys.